Like REST APIs and object libraries, SQL databases should have the capacity to evolve without breaking application dependencies. So AppDB.Studio introduces the concept of object deprecation in SQL Server databases. This feature can automatically generate deprecated placeholders whenever a change is introduced in the database with the tool. Therefore, you're not required to refactor your application code anymore whenever you do a database change. In order to give time to developers to refactor application dependencies, AppDB.Studio can also give these placeholders a time-to-live period. To see how this works, let's go into the Refactorings menu and rename a table. Let's rename the DB version table to Database version instead. We'll also select the Generate Deprecated Placeholder option and run the generated script. If we look at the result, the table was successfully renamed to Database version. Also, a new synonym named DB version was created. Current applications that use the original table name in their queries will hit the synonym instead, and will be automatically redirected to the new database version table. The synonym is flagged with a red icon to indicate that it is deprecated, and its new tooltip displays which table to use instead in queries. Object deprecation for columns works a bit differently. When renaming a column with AppDB.Studio, a new view is created with the same name as the original table. We call these views umbrella views, and they return both original and new column names for the table. The original column names are also flagged with a red icon to indicate that they should not be queried. As to avoid naming conflicts, the original tables are pushed into a base schema and are flagged with a warning icon to indicate which view should be queried instead. Current application queries will automatically hit the umbrella views instead of the original tables. And because in SQL Server, view records can be inserted, updated, and deleted as with any tables, CRUD operations will continue to work as before. Removal of umbrella views and synonyms is done through an easy tool found in the Refactorings menu. Deprecation placeholders are available in all AppDB.Studio refactorings. The repair tool also has this feature, so we can apply in one operation a batch of changes to a database without breaking any of its dependencies.